Hey guys, in this video today we are looking at David Weekley Homes. This particular plan is number 6552 called the Wilmont. Starts at $610,000 as of June 7, 2021 with a square footage of 3,410. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 3-car garage. This particular plan is found in Argyle, Texas at the Harvest by Hillwood community. And there you have it. That was the Wilmont floor plan at the Harvest by Hillwood made by David Weekley Homes. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.